Welcome to Tech Equity and Money Talk. I'm your host, Christopher Nelson. I've been in the tech industry for 20 plus years. And after climbing my way to the C-suite, working for 3 companies that have been through IPO, and investing my way to financial independence, I'm here to share with you everything that I've learned and help you answer the biggest questions when it comes to working for tech equity and managing the money that comes with it. Welcome. As technology employees, we have a problem. We have a big problem. We don't talk enough about tech equity and money. We definitely don't talk enough about tech equity and money and how it should all work together to get us where we want to go, financial independence. Now, as technology employees, we love what we do. We get a front row seat to the future every single day at work. But the reality is, if we don't manage our tech equity well, then we can end up paying more taxes than we need to, or being overweight in a position and not having our money work for us. And if we don't understand how to manage the money that comes with it, we can end up continuing to have to work to fuel our lifestyle because our portfolio isn't working for us. As your host, I'm excited to sit at this intersection between tech equity and money because my goal is I want you to be able to answer the biggest questions when it comes to working for tech equity and managing your money and feeling confident about managing your future. Now, I'm going to do this through some intensive solo episodes. On those episodes, I'm going to be breaking down strategies, things that I've learned when it comes to how to trade your time and talent for tech equity by thinking like an investor to get the best result. How do you negotiate for the most equity on the table? Or how do you build your portfolio as a multi-generational business that's going to give you a purpose outside of your 9-to-5 and can fuel you? I'm also going to be interviewing experts, whether that's people that are managing family offices worth tens and hundreds of millions of dollars so that we can learn from people that are doing it on a larger scale than we are. Or I'm going to be talking to tax planners who can give us strategies and tactics to help us reduce our tax burdens. Stock options lawyers. How do we understand this key document that drives us moving forward? I'm really excited to be sharing all of this information with you because I know that you have more questions right now than you can answer. So thanks for joining us on the journey. I do have an ask though. My ask is please go to where you listen on audio podcasts right now, whether that's Apple, Spotify, Amazon, and please follow this podcast on audio. Or if you like to watch video, I would ask that you go to YouTube and subscribe right now. Also, could you please go to techequityandmoneytalk.com and leave us a review? Because leaving a 5-star review and letting us know what you like from the show is going to help get the message out there and advance the message. The third thing is, please tell someone. Tell another tech employee that you know has a lot of questions around tech equity and money, that there's a place right now where they can ask questions and get them answered. Because we do answer questions. If you send an email to ask@techequityandmoneytalk.com, we will over the podcast or in our newsletter, be able to answer those questions. Thank you for joining us here today. I am so excited that you're on this journey. Why don't you press play right now on the next episode and see what's coming next?